everyone, welcome to Clever Blocks. I am Tandurang, and in today's video we are going to create the Roman Colosseum under 10 minutes. I had created the very first short video of mine on the Roman Colosseum and it got so many likes and comments. I'm really overwhelmed. Thank you so much for all of that. In today's one, we are going to see how we can build that in 10 minutes. Now, just to be honest and frank with all of you, I am going to keep a timer so that I can actually do it under 10 minutes. Okay, so are you ready for it? If you want, follow along and let's get started. And the timing starts from here on. There you go. 3, 2, 1, start. Okay, so I'm going to quickly grab some blocks that I would need in order to build it. I'm going to take up some sandstone blocks. I'm going to take up some cut sandstone and maybe I think that should be good enough for now. And let's get started. I'm going to start off with making a circle. The circle is going to be really pretty simple. I'm going to place 7 blocks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and then 2 blocks here. So 2 and then 2. Let's go here. This right here. And then straight down 1 2 then 1 2 and then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and then we repeat the same. Okay, so again 2 blocks on the outward, 2 blocks down, 2 blocks down again, and again 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and we turn around. Okay, the semicircle is done. Just look at that and we do the next half of it. There you go, 1 2 and then 1 2 and then 1 2 and then 1 2 and then again 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Almost there with the first circle, and there you go, almost there here, and oopsies. Okay, perfect. And see, the circle is done. Okay, so now the first thing is the Roman Colosseum is a circular shape. All right, it has got 4 different layers and I'm just going to build up the walls now. Just to add some more texture to it, I'm not using the same block again. I'm going to use something else. So let's focus on using the sandstone directly. I'm going to make some pillars right here. So 1 2 3, not making it too tall because it's going to have 4 different layers. It's going to be really tall, so let's just stick to 4. Okay, I'm going to leave 1 block here and then again place 3, then leave here, then 3, again leave here and then 3. Okay, and we keep following the same pattern. All right, now what will happen is sometimes it's going to come together, which is totally fine. We're not trying to make it look perfect, however we're trying to make it look like the Colosseum in a very less amount of time, right? So just keep placing the block and wherever you feel they're coming together, it's absolutely okay. And there you go. Okay, so where it has not come together, we'll keep that as the entrance and the rest of it will be acting as, like, the exit doors, or just like, the other parts of the entrance. Anything is fine. So let's go for it. Almost there. Oopsies. Not here. Here again. And here again. And here again. Okay, so see, everyone is going to have, like, 1 block closer to it. All the main doors are going to have 1 block which is going to be closer to it, which is absolutely fine. Okay, so this is the base of it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly go ahead and grab some quartz and I'm going to layer the top. Okay, because I want to make sure that it gives me a contrast and should not look all the same. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill this up. Okay, like that. Just connect them and connect them. Okay, just make sure that you keep connecting them in a way that they're all together. Okay, whatever is extra, keep breaking it down, and whatever you feel you need, just keep them adding. Okay, so there's no right or wrong way to do it. It's just how the way you would want it to look like. Okay, so if you want to make it look like more like a Colosseum, to go ahead and you can add the blocks. Okay, see, I'm going to add some more blocks here because I need to add the pillars as well, right? So if you have double layers, it's always going to be easier for us to go ahead and build it. So always double the layers well enough. And there you go. So basically, once the main structure is done, it's a repetitive pattern. We don't have to do a lot of work here. Just keep repeating the steps and it's going to work. Okay, so I think this doesn't look good. This is better. And I'm going to keep on going on with this. Not here, here again. Okay. And maybe I'll just break this up. And this looks better. And again from here. And again to the connections right here. Okay, just keep repeating it till you don't get it there correctly. That's all. And Okay, so I'm almost 5 minutes up. Let's see if I'm able to make it. I'm scared now. What if I'm not able to do it? Okay, let's give it a try. There's no harm in trying. So this is my very first layer of the Colosseum. I need to now like really speed up. So I'm just gonna keep 3 layers up. All the places where it had the layers, I'm just gonna keep repeating. Keep repeating. It goes the same. And there's no change at all. So right here then. Okay, again 3. Again here 3. Again here 3. Again 3 here. Okay, so basically it has got full layers, 2 full layers, and it has got like 2 half layers. We need to make sure that all the 4 layers are done. Internal structure we could definitely do it on later, but at least the external structure should be happening under 10 minutes. I'm still running out of time and I need to get this done faster. Let's see, what do you think, if I'll be able to do it or not? Drop down in your comments and tell me if you think I will be able to do it or not. I'm now scared, actually, really scared. I think I won't be able to. But let's try. Let's not give up until the last minute, until the last second, I must say. And here, okay. I'm just gonna keep adding. Right. I think my second layer is almost going to be done. Okay. All right. I think this looks good. I still got 4 more minutes. I'm gonna quickly go ahead and add the next layer to top it up. Okay, I'm gonna go for it. I'm not giving up. Keep going. There's no giving up here. As fast as we can. And there we go. Almost there. Okay, now I'm really scared because I just got 3 more minutes to finish this up. Okay, and now I think I shouldn't have challenged myself, but I guess I'm gonna still keep on trying. Okay, so my second layer is done. I still have got 2 more minutes. Let's see. Okay, I am just gonna keep placing the blocks, and this is gonna be halfway through, not the full. So halfway through, half. Okay, so I just need to say where my half is going to be exactly. No falling down at this point. We gotta go faster. We got 2 minutes 25 seconds more to go. Okay, so this is halfway done, and I just need to fill up this with this now. No, I need to fill it up with pots. Okay, so I got 1 minute, 1 minute and a few seconds. Let's see if I'm able to get it there. Okay, drop down in the comments and tell me if you feel I will be able to get it done or not. I think I will be done, but not completely. Like a little bit will be still remaining. Okay, give up. I don't want to give up at all. I am going to make it work like that. So this is done, and I'm gonna, okay, it does look like the Colosseum, right? Even if we don't have like all the layers yet, but okay, we just need to make one last layer. Okay, so I think even if we have just 3 layers, it's still fine, but I'm gonna finish up the last one, and I'm hoping to do it. I got less than 1 minute. Oh, okay, let's rush. Okay, just a few more seconds to go. 48 seconds, it says. Okay. Quickly tell me in the comments if you feel I will be able to place the last quartz block or not. Okay, I am done. I got 30 seconds more. 30 seconds more to go. 30 seconds more to go. Come on, come on, come on, Thunderang, you got this. You can do it. Almost there with 20 seconds in hand. 20 seconds to go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 13 seconds more to go. And 10, 9, 8. Yay, I did it! I did it! There you go. This is how it looks like. I still have 2 more seconds left, and this is how my Colosseum looks like. Okay, I know it doesn't look perfect, but the problem was that we were supposed to make it under 10 minutes, and we have done it. I hope you have followed along, and I hope that you are able to make it as well. If you're not able to make it under 10 minutes, it's totally fine. Take your time, pause it, and then do it. It's going to be really, really simple. However, I'll just give you a quick tip and trick in order for it to look even better if you work on the interiors. Okay, I'm not able to change the time, no issues at all. So, however, you could just pull up this area right here, okay, and you can add up a seat for the king or the queen to sit, right? So we could do this one here where you add that. You can add some staircase and everything. You could do that part here. Secondly, you can just extend this area right here, and you can add the seats for the people all around. Okay, so you can do a lot of changes, and you can make it look like the real Colosseum. That is it. I hope everyone has enjoyed it, and also I really enjoyed taking this challenge. Do let me know what you want to see next, and I shall come up with the same with a build under 10 minutes. Thank you so much. Signing off, Clever Blocks and Thunderang. Bye bye.